Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to create the combo charts. Combo charts are the combination of two or more types of charts. This could be combination of column and line charts, line with area charts, or bar with area charts, and so on. This is the dataset that we are going to use to create combo charts. So there is one time series data. This is the month, okay, from January to December. This data tells about the advertisement spent of a company for different products like mobile and desktop, okay. And these are the advertisement spent for mobile for different months, and these are for desktop for different months. This is the total. That means this column plus this column, this becomes the total, okay. Then we have a website, and to which different consumers visits, and these many clicks have been made. They have clicked on our advertisement and have seen, and out of this, if you see per click, this has been the spent. You can see D2 by E2. This is D2. Total spent by this. This is the price. Okay. This is the cost that is being spent. This is the total number of transaction. Means out of these visits, only these many people have made the transaction. Means they have become the buyers. And this is the percentage. This has been taken into percentage. Okay. So let us start. Let us start. For this, let us see. So we have selected some data like time series data, mobile spend, and extra spend, and this. So let us create one column charts first. Column charts, you can see. So we are getting this. This blue column tells about mobile spend. Okay, this orange, it is for desktop spend and total. This is the total. Okay, suppose I want to see the trend line for this. Okay, what I should do, I have to change the chart type. There are multiple ways that we can do. So first we can right click, and we have a change chart type. There is one options. Or we can also, we have a chart design, we have a change chart type, or chart type we can also select here, click here, and we can also do this like by insert, and we have a recommended charts, and we are getting here the combo charts. We can do it. So these are the three ways that we can convert this chart into a combo charts. Let us select one type. This is change chart type. So you can see. So we have here combo charts is also there. Okay, let us make the combo charts. So when we, by default it has taken the advertisement spent, total spent. We have also column, earlier version was this. Now we are going to see this. This is a combinations. Okay, we are getting here the trends. You see, you can describe the or explain the trends. Here in February, advertisement spent was high, then there was it was decline, then it was up, then decline, and in the month of September there is also there is once again advertisement spend has been increased. Similarly, you can also see for mobile spend, desktop spend, and also you can also see. Okay, this is the way. There is one more thing that you must notice here. Format or change chart type, you can see there is one secondary axis here. What is this secondary axis? We have one y axis, here x axis, but in secondary axis, in case of secondary axis, what happens? uh, there will be another y axis, means there will be two axis, y axis here. Okay, you can also see, because this is basically used when you have the extreme values. Means take for example, you have like you have high revenue like 1 lakh revenue, but you are getting profit of 100 rupees. You see the comparison 100 and 1 lakhs. So that will not appear actually, that will not appear significantly in the chart. Therefore you can also do, of course you can also see the secondary chart. For this you can see secondary chart, it is also coming. Okay, for this secondary chart it is coming. Okay, or you can also see both, you can also see. However, we'll see in um, we can also see this in another charts. Okay, let us delete it. We have like we have some of the like clicks, and this is dollar per click, suppose we will see. So let us select the data, then here hold control, then shift down arrow we have selected, then once again you can hold control, then shift downward. Okay, we have now selected these three columns. One is for time series data, this is month, this is for click, total click, this is the spending. Okay, you can also see. So let us insert, then recommended chart, all charts, combo charts. Okay, we have two variable we have taken here in. Okay, two variable, one is like click, and this is dollar per click, you can see. Okay, so if you see where is the comparison, this is 5,68,213, it is just 1.4, it is even less than 2. When you compare these values, there is a huge difference, therefore it is not coming. You see, it is not clearly visible here, just there is a orange line, clear, it is not clearly visible. In that case, since the values are extremes, like one is huge, very high value, and here this is a very small value, in that case what we can do, we can change chart type. Okay, we can have one secondary axis, you can see. When we have a secondary axis, we are getting this, means this is for this blue color clicks. Okay, it is maximum limit, it is here 6 lakhs, where it is $2, and we have a trends here. Okay, so it depends. If we need y axis, y as secondary axis, we have to see if our values are very extreme. We have two dimension or two fields, but we are getting extreme values in both the fields, in two of the fields. So, and we want to compare. So in that case, we can see, we can use the, or we can get this y axis. Okay. So in these lessons, we have learned these combo charts and its uses. What are the different scenario we can use? That's for the lesson. See you in the next one.